Hi guys, Dave's here. Would you have a leak in your water hose? You know, you don't have to replace the whole thing. What you can do is buy you one of these right here. I bought this at Walmart. It's push fit repair hose mender, and all you need is some scissors or a utility knife. So let me show you how to fix that real easy. First, we need to turn the water off. Then find your hose where it's leaking at. You want to cut on one side of it. And then we'll cut the other side of the hose. Now if you've not got some good sharp scissors, get you a utility knife. You can cut it with it. Just watch yourself when you're cutting it. Okay, grab one end of your hose, and we need to pull this thing off. And all we got to do, you see the way it's made in there? All you got to do is slide the hose in it. Just push it as far as you can. You see it grabs a hold of it. Now do the other end. And that's all there is to it. Okay, be sure, as you've seen before it was leaking, be sure to push them up in there real good. Push as far as you can. Then it tightens up. There you go. Less than $3. As always, thanks for watching, guys.